releasing two highly venomous blue-ringed octopuses into my tank. Will they take each other out? Let's try this daring experiment today. Into this carefully controlled environment, we introduced two blue-ringed octopuses, intensely territorial and highly intelligent, known for their potent lethal venom. They grappled with a graceful, almost balletic exchange of force, not aiming for harm but asserting dominance in a fluid underwater dance. Will one of these incredibly dangerous animals be erased by its own kind? With a final meticulous check of his lab equipment, I carefully lowered the first tiny blue-ringed octopus specimen into the pristine rock-filled marine tank. Thumbnail-sized, yet lethally venomous, both cephalopods sensed the intrusion, freezing instantly in instinctual, watchful assessment within their new home. With an electrifying burst, the dark mottled octopus launches forward, its extremely thin elastic tentacles blur, instantly snaring a tiny pale golden octopus paused, the unsuspecting pale golden adversary.
C3 is dominating C2. The micromodeling is intensifying. Note the pressure.
The dark mottled attacker, with its sharply defined suction cups, relentlessly tightened its grip. The pale golden octopus thrashed violently and got away. The tank air became palpably dangerous. A lethal exchange was imminent as the victim pale golden octopus fought back with its most potent, glowing weapon. The dark mottled octopus thrashed violently, sensing the immediate venom threat. It desperately tried to disengage from its opponent's tenacious grip. The pale golden octopus, initially caught, gained macabre control. Its slender tentacles, now glowing subtly with warning signs, remained locked onto its attacker. The dark mottled octopus's movements grew weak, eye bracing for the worst outcome. A sense of impending tragedy hung heavy in the air. The underwater confrontation between the two octopuses was incredibly brief, intensely focused, and concluded in a rapid, almost instantaneous flash of motion. With utmost care, miniature containers were gently tilted, releasing precious tiny occupants into the custom-built aquatic environment, initiating new observation. Will one of these incredibly dangerous animals be erased by its own kind? These tiny, dangerous creatures demonstrated not only potent toxicity but an unparalleled capacity for survival, adaptation, and sheer resilience, surprising all observers with their fortitude.